Grimsby docks under iron skies, diesel smoke and battle cries, steel hulls cut through frozen rain, generations built on pain. Ross Tiger, northern seas, skippers fighting brutal breeze, hands cut open, hearts of stone, the ocean made them, cleaned its own. Hear the sirens, hear the call, fishing empires start to fall.
Cod Wars!
Fire in the tide, Grimsby fishermen never hide. Government deals, broken trust, left our harbor turned to dust. Played with names, 3 mile, 50, 200 gone. Whole damn fleets were hanging on. Skippers sail through fear and cold, chasing stories fathers told. But the paper signed in distant rooms brought Grimsby closer to its doom. Boats laid silent, engines still, empty caves beneath the hill. On savage waves, too many names in unmarked graves. Families waiting by the shore for footsteps walking through the door. Deckhand skippers, brothers, sons, lost before their lives begun. Grimsby cried but still stood tall, a fishing city through it all. Raise the names, let echoes ring, for every soul the oceans bring.
We remember, we won't fade, every sacrifice they made.
Harder than the winter sea, Grimsby blood runs endlessly. Fight against the government, promises that came and went. Boardroom suits and cold decrees, never felt the northern seas. From the old fish docks to modern tide, the fallen captains still reside in rusted chains and harbor light, in every boat that sails at night. This is more than history told, more than quote is fish or gold. It's working hands and shattered years, built from sacrifice and tears. Hear the harbor, feel the flame. Grimsby, remember your name.
Cod Wars!
We still rise, northern thunder in our eyes. From the ashes, from the pain, Grimsby's heart beats on again. On again. For the skippers, the crews, the lives lost, Grimsby never forgot.